Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm so excited to share with you the Design Team 2020 for Nicole Jones 911 Designs, which is a company my son and I started back in March, where my son designs scrapbooking products that are digital. I have had so many questions about embellishment clusters and how do you start and how do you do layers. I gave the analogy of building a house. You start with the foundation and build from there. One of my favorite foundation elements in scrapbooking are viewfinders, and I had such a hard time finding them, so my son drew some for me. People were contacting me, asking me where they could find those, where they could purchase those, and that's how we got started. We started with embellishments that are perfect for the foundation, and now we're adding embellishments which I consider finishers to the mix. So that was just a little background to how it all got started. By the way, my son has graduated from art school. So a couple of weeks ago, I put out a design team call out, and I just want to thank everyone that sent in their application to be part of the team. So much talent out there. Where this was my first go around at this, I decided to go with 5 team members. One for social media, where she's going to help me with my Facebook group and the virtual crops, and 4 design team members for the digital prints. So drum roll. On the social media team, 2 Musker. And now for the design team for the digital prints. So here they are in alphabetical order: Nicole Bigaman, Maura O'Reilly, Sarah Swan, and Leah Tees. I have a blog post where I will share a bit more information about each team member, and it will also be on my Facebook group. Again, I wish I could have chosen everyone, but I wanted to make sure that I have the time to dedicate to each member. Thank you so much to my new design team members. I feel so honored that you are part of the team. If you are new to my channel, you can go to NicoleJones911.com to look at all of our digital prints. We have now close to 1,000 files. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.